Is doing the homework becoming a chore? Does your child not enjoy reading books? Is this affecting your child's confidence in class? Does this affect your child's performance at school? Have you tried to get help, but it didn't work? Are you at a loss to know how to help? Don't despair, we can help. Leaders of Readers Saturday Tuition Centre has helped over 6,000 pupils since 1999. We provide tried and tested expert support to kids from 3 to 11 years old. We provide assistance in reading, maths, English, reasoning and preparation for entrance exams. Groups are small and tutor-led. We provide feedback every step of the way with reports at the end of each term, opportunities for an assessment and trial session to help you make the right decision, and presentation on open days to get a clearer understanding of who we are and what we do. Groups are small and tutor-led. Experience the impact of our assistance and the boosting confidence in your child. Make horrible homework time be a thing of the past. Leaders are Readers. Come and join the revolution at leadersarereaders.co.uk, email info@leadersarereaders.co.uk or call us 01992 651 300. Leaders are Readers. Improve, excel, lead the pack.